niwe yahona kufa bwa nyuma y'abantu okumwiho munju ahuishe habira mucinjirine okumara hebiro bishatu atine mu byo kurya hamwe na mizi nikigamwa ngo omwana ogu yahurirwa abantu ababani barabaho hihi na nenju bakahurira omwana ogu ariyo narira okurugirira ahabebembezi habe cyareki bari mu rubari ya sem nibagira ngo batunga makuru okuruga abebembezi hamwe n'abataka bamwe niko kweta polisi kugira ngo ebase kutaho mu nshonga.
When I tried also to investigate from the neighbor said the father left and she had the boy crying inside the house after one day. So I also called some leaders. One of the leaders I called the area councillor to come and also witness. Then she phoned me at the scene. After that, we called the police, and police came in. After a while, then we tried to open the house.
The neighbor told us that the boy spent 2 days. Me, I didn't know what it was happening. But the neighbor came and called for me. You mother, you come and see your son has locked the baby inside. The father has disappeared. Now I'm removing the baby to stay with the sister of the mother. I had been the grandmother. Had been taking care of the baby for 6 months.
Nijigamba ngo Mutabazi Shaban akatana n'umukazi we omwaka gumo guhwire yamusigira omwana we nawe owashaziremu okuguma nabonesa.
When I reached the site, I found that there is a child who was locked inside the house for 2 days. That the father had gone and he locked the child inside the room. And indeed, we with the help of the police, we found some people to help us and cut the padlocks.
Polisi yajimirira ebikorebi kandi yatanika kucondoza omunshonga eri kuronda abinazi ababire nibakoreki kandi bari kutekateka ngwisho omwana ogu niwabira cebembire. Polisi negira ngo habarije kwatwa nibija kutibwa hemanja zitari zimwe na zimwe.
We have registered a case in which our divisional police authority rescued a child of 6 years old from the house, who was locked in the house by the father, namely Mutabazi Shaban. Taken a keen interest hunting for this Shaban Mutabazi, and if he is arrested, he will be prosecuted, and we may charge him with so many cases like failure to provide necessities, unlawful confinement, all that kind of thing.
Polisi yayongera yashaba abantu na mnonga abantu abasherine okugira ngo bagume baronde okubaramare hemihondano yo mumaka batari kukitasya mu abana.
Domestic violence in our homes have caused the problem, have caused the injury to children when like their mother is fighting with the father, either father is fighting with the mother, and such cases have really disturbed the mind of most children.
Makuraga gasha kwa Gerard Muhindo ahabwa Sky TV omuri Kasese.